Oh, hi my lovelies. Thank you for being here. My name is Jen and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. So today we are going to make creamy Tuscan chicken. This is my version of the Tuscan chicken. I use a lot of sun-dried tomatoes as well as fresh tomatoes because I harvested a lot of cherry tomatoes from my garden and also fresh basil, and I will add the basil at the end of cooking. You always want to add your delicate herbs, fresh herbs at the end of your cooking, because if you add them at the beginning of your cooking, then you lose all that flavor. It'll disintegrate and you will not have the benefit of those amazing flavors from your fresh herbs. So either use them, these delicate herbs, use them for garnishing, or just make sure that you add them at the very last. So this is really a nice Tuscan creamy, chicken. The sauce is amazing. It's full of flavor. It's very balanced. I added a little bit of honey just to contrast that acidity, and it is a well-balanced, really robust flavor sauce for our chicken. And let me show you how to make it.
Let's prep our ingredients first. Let's start with 1 onion. This is yellow onion. It's nice and sweet, and we're going to chop it. Here are 4 garlic cloves, finely minced down. And I use about a cup of this cherry tomatoes that I got from my garden. Look how nice and fresh they are. They're very sweet. Look how plump they are. I'm really proud of my garden this year. And for the seasoning, we have Italian seasoning, dried basil, paprika, red chili pepper flakes, and sea salt. And here are my basil. Look how nice and bright green they are. Just tear them off the stem. And here the sun-dried tomato, I cut them in strips, and here's 3 pieces of chicken breast that we're going to cut in half. And then season them with sea salt and freshly cracked pepper. Heat the pan with oil. Add the chicken breasts and cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they reaches the internal temperature of 165 degrees. And then use the same pan, add the butter, and wait until the butter melts, and then add the onion, saute until the onion is tender. And then season with a little bit of salt, then add the garlic, continue sauteing, add all those seasonings, stir to combine, add a little bit of tomato paste, and add the sun-dried tomatoes, a little bit of honey, and add the heavy cream and stir to combine. And then simmer for about a minute. And then add the Parmesan cheese, and then zest 1 lemon. And then add those fresh tomatoes. Then the basil, you add the basil last. And then here's the chicken. And then make sure that you coat the chicken with all that sauce.
Okay, my lovelies, that is a simple dish with big, bold flavor. It is so amazing. Those fresh tomatoes, the basil, the creaminess, the Parmesan cheese, all these amazing flavors just soaked into the chicken, and we seared the chicken so it's really nice, it's tender and moist. So my lovelies, I hope that you make it and then you let me know what you think. And also, if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. And if you want more recipes, just head on to my website, and that's leanbellaskitchen.com. You have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.